kahapon yata yun, pinalabas sa GMA, no? At tinanong si Sam, no, about many things, about his, eto na, ang pinaka-weight ng interview, na kung saan na medyo naging emotional siya, ay tungkol sa relasyon niya kay Katrina Gray, yung break-up nila. Kasi di ba, alam naman natin that late last year, parang they announced na that they were getting married. May kinakanta si TJ. Ngayon, sabi ni tinanong kay Boy kung is it true, kasi akala ng mga tao it was already easy, it was parang naka-move on na siya, kasi parang wala
nonchalant siya.
Parang wala lang sa kanya, di ba? Kasi may kausap siya sa kabila, ay kanyang road manager yata. Tapos habang si Katrina na ay umiiyak, sinagot ito ni Sam that it's not the way it is, the way people look at it that way, no? Na ang sabi niya, hindi lang nila alam, it was so hard for him. Hindi ganun kadali yun. He was so hurt. Hindi alam kung anong gagawin niya. That's why he was talking to someone. Kumbaga, hindi tulad na akala mga tao na napakabilis siya naka-move on. Hindi po. Masakit din daw po sa kanya. At napaiyak siya. Pero ayaw niya, he doesn't want to go into details kung bakit sila naghiwalay. So, a lot of people sympathize with him. Naawa sa kanya. Because, syempre, for a man, no, to cry. Kasi dahil nga sa pangyayaring ito, kumbaga, alam nila, it's not easy, it's heavy. Ako naman, wala akong masyadong maramdaman.
Totoo?
Oo, kasi bakit? Probably it has something to do with our falling out, no?
May personal.
May personal akong experience. But, how can I understand him that well when they only shared with us 1/3 of the story?
Hindi po.